Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 19th, and this is my PM recap of the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord training community linked at the end of this video and in the description. If you would like to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, it gets you access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, in a ways, the pound dollar did end up going down and it did end up breaking structure like I was talking about in my morning video. Now, there's a possibility that this is like some sort of an ABC flat and that it might just keep on trending up. It definitely kind of looks more like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So, I would almost kind of expect it to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, possibly three up, and then maybe another five down. I would expect to see some sort of a three-way pattern like this, probably down to a Fibonacci retracement level before it actually ends up continuing the uptrend. Now, one thing we have to keep in mind is if this really is like a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three on the much higher time frames like the daily, then it may make a much more shallow correction. It may not go down to these deeper Fibonacci levels, but instead it might make like a 38 or maybe even a 23% Fib retracement because a wave three is supposed to be a big strong wave. So if you do see a nice impulsive move up, if do see like a breaker structure or something, you definitely might want to try to get long because there's always a chance that this is a wave three on the daily time frame and it just keeps on trending up. I personally think it's more likely to do something like this, but you definitely never know. The trend is your friend, and the trend has turned up on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.